Well, as A-list celebs invest in SailGP, something we'll get to in just a moment, a new team is ready to compete. In fact, today, Artemis Racing, Sweden's international sailing team, confirmed that it is entering the Rolex SailGP Championships 2026 season as Artemis SailGP sailing team. Joining me now with more is Ben Johnson. He's SailGP's Chief Revenue Officer. Ben, great to have you on the show. Joining us from New York this morning. And for viewers who might not be familiar with SailGP, tell us why it's such a significant development.
It's a huge day for SailGP. It's our 13th team. So we've been a circuit of 13 races all around the world, iconic destinations this weekend. We're in beautiful Geneva for our first race here in Switzerland. But this team announcement today that we're incredibly excited about brings another new market representing Sweden with an incredible history and legacy of competitive sail racing to the circuit, joining our other 12 national teams. We've launched a competitive bid process and sort of the effort to find great new team owners from around the world. So bringing in a group like Artemis is just a reflection of the continued growth and the opportunity we see for a global fan base.
Congratulations. I think that's probably lucky number 13, so we'll be watching. Because
it is.
This weekend, SailGP is going to commence its first race in Geneva, Switzerland. And what stands out about this event?
Just an iconic backdrop. For anyone that's seen it before, it's obviously in the center of the city. We get to take over this proud racing venue with our partner Rolex. It's the first time we've actually been able to race in their hometown. So for us, it's an honor and a privilege to be in such a unique destination. And also from a season perspective, we have 3 teams currently within a few points of each other for our 2025 season. So it's coming down to the last 3 races of the year with incredible tension between the GBR team, Australia and New Zealand, fighting for those last 3 spots on our last day in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah. Okay, so now this past summer, Reynolds and Hugh Jackman acquired Australia's team, and Hathaway headlines other A-listers investing in the sport too. That's pretty impressive. What's driving this popularity?
Yeah, our list of celebrity investors, strategic celebrity investors right now is exceptional. You've mentioned Anne Hathaway and Ryan Reynolds. Hugh Jackman is part of that Australia team with Ryan Reynolds. We've also got global sports icons like Sebastian Vettel from F1, Kylian Mbappe, a proud owner of the French team, actors and actresses like Issa Rae. So we see this really unique opportunity to bring together their global fandom, an opportunity to introduce the sport to new audiences that we hadn't otherwise reached. But in addition to some of those incredible athletes, actors, actresses that we've had now join the strategic ownership groups, we also have groups like Mubadala Capital, Ares, which we just announced recently is a large minority owner of the French team, Avenue Capital in the U.S. team. So really seeing a unique opportunity to bring together private equity, strategic ownership across celebrities, sovereign wealth funds like Mubadala Capital, all helping us validate the vision we see for bringing this new sport to fans all around the world.
Now, in addition to this weekend, there are a few competitions left in the 2025 slate. What is the most exciting storyline you think heading into the finish?
With 3 teams 3 points away, but we have our defending champions in Spain just a couple points outside of that group. So we actually go from this race this weekend in Geneva to Cadiz, Spain in early October. And that will see the Spanish team on home soil really trying to break into those top 3 spots. So whether or not the defending team can sneak into that last 3 set of the top teams in the circuit this year is going to be something we're all watching really closely. But for us, it's that opportunity again to sort of be in an iconic cities like Spain and Geneva here before we go to our grand final in Abu Dhabi at the end of the season in November.
Okay, now SailGP comes back to New York City in late May. We like that. We understand fans can book their seats soon. When are these tickets on sale?
They're going to be on sale right at the end of the year. So in December, we'll be on sale with all the different experiences you'll be able to find across New York. We're incredibly excited about it. As a New Yorker, there's no better place to see a SailGP race. We're right in between the Statue of Liberty, Battery Park. It's an incredible view seeing our boats go 60 miles an hour right around downtown Manhattan.
Ben Johnson, SailGP's Chief Revenue Officer. Thank you, sir. We can't wait for it.
Thanks for having us.